Respected dear family members, many people used to inform me and request me that whatever I have told in Malayalam should also be presented in English so that more than 70% of the YouTube watchers can understand it, even from outside Kerala. The request is from non-Malayalis. So whatever I presented yesterday, today I am presenting it in English. Yesterday I told you all that whenever the word Hinduism is used, Hindu is used, the religion which is there in India from time immemorial, the religion which never said only my religion is truthful religion, the religion which never entertained conversion, the religion which declared that all the pathway will be leading to the ultimate truth, the religion which has got thousands and thousands of literature, unlike other religions having only one literature. Hindu Dharma is the religion which has got many rishis and many pathways and many routes. Still, if somebody is telling that I am a Hindu, or if I am working for Hindu Dharma, and if I feel that I am proud of being a Hindu, that is labeled as fundamentalism, communalism, non-secularism, and so on. And anything done in the name of Hindu Dharma is communal in nature. Anything done in the name of Christianity or Muslim, whether it is conversion, whether it is terrorism, whether it is hypocrisy, or whether it is X, Y, Z or anything, these are all falling under minority right for doing any destructive activity which is never labeled as terrorism, which is never labeled as communalism nor fundamentalism in India. Our media is notorious for declaring, projecting and propagating even the minutest thing happening against the minorities. Yesterday, Times Now channel, when Arnab Goswami asked a series of questions to our Finance Minister Sri Jaitley, he asked the question, what are the findings of the atrocities done against the churches, the attacks against the church? Sri Jaitley told, in fact he declared that all the investigation results show that these are all local problems, nothing to do with Hinduism, nothing to do with RSS, nothing to do with BJP. When something is happening in Bengal, then that will be put on the head of our Prime Minister Sri Modi. Even though the local police of Bengal is under control of Mamata Banerjee, the blame goes to Delhi. Whatever is happening in Maharashtra, whatever is happening in Rajasthan, the label goes to RSS and BJP. So, whenever anyone tells positive or some stray comment about Hindu Dharma, that is projected as Garvapasi, that is projected as Hindu fundamentalism, and that is projected as RSS and BJP. So intentionally, a group of mafia is working, maybe with the support of Italian people partly ruling India, either in the opposition or in the states as rulers. So anything told about Hindu Dharma, that is fundamentalism. Many people used to ask me the question, are you an RSS? I always used to tell, I am a Hindu, proud Hindu, always pray that even 100 more janmas I have got. If I have got 100 more birth, I will definitely pray that I should get again 100 more as a Hindu in the lap of Mother India. When I say I am a Hindu, when I tell the truth about Hindu Dharma, when I say the Ramayana or Mahabharata or Vedas, all this will be labeled as saffronization. I am not bothered about it. But who else will talk about Hindu Dharma? Any bishop, any metran or any cardinal showing their dress and walking and covering all the negatives done by them by way of converting. They converted the whole Nagaland, part of Mizoram, part of Meghalaya. Almost complete conversion has taken place in Arunachal Pradesh. In the dense forest of Orissa and Madhya Pradesh, thousands of missionaries are working even today for converting. Nobody bothers about it. That too by cheating and by making them slaves, this conversion is taking place. But that is labeled as service for the human society. When Mother Teresa was told that her ultimate aim is conversion, which is the truth, the whole parliament rocked. But when series of negatives took place against Mata Amritanandamayi, who is working in a higher level than Mother Teresa without converting anybody, the media kept quiet, and part of the media One channel in Kerala and the Kairali channel from Kerala, and John Brittas, another 100% communal Christian, and when they even created such a negative environment against Mata Amritanandamayi, even though she survived that, all the media, intellectuals, communists and the minorities were against Mata Amritanandamayi, whereas all the majority people and all others were supporting Mother Teresa, even though her ultimate aim is conversion, and she is doing conversion throughout. After grabbing the land of Calcutta Kali Temple and grabbing the land of Calcutta Kali Temple and building her own missionary house in the campus of Calcutta Kali Temple and doing seriously against Indian culture and Hinduism, but that is labeled as a person who has got Bharata Ratna, who has got Nobel Prize and so many Ratnas and other things. So the Hindus from all walks of life support Mother Teresa, and Hindus, Christians and Muslims from all walk of life, they denigrate Hindu Dharma, and that they think as real secularism. A religion which said Loka Samasta Sugino Bhavantu, a religion which never said only my religion is the foolproof religion, a religion which never converted people towards itself, a religion which has given the freedom to worship any god, that religion is labeled as communalism, as I told earlier. So now the only answer for this is not by weeping or crying, but taking it as a challenge and doing the level best for bringing back the people who have gone from Hindu Dharma to any other religion, but should be done silently. Now the greatest mistake the RSS and the Vishwa Hindu Parishad did is that they are not doing anything for bringing the Hindus back, but they created such a bad name in the international level that Hindus are doing all the nonsense for destroying Christianity and Christian churches. Unfortunately, nobody said the police report that the destruction of 9, I am not telling destruction, some minor problems created in 9 churches throughout India. It is nothing to do with RSS, nothing to do with Hinduism. It is done by hooligans around that place. But the police verification, police investigation report did not come out. So the world is still started looking against RSS, against BJP, against Narendra Modi, for which they are not responsible. They only do some negative comments at times. that too arrogant comments by some of the Hindu leaders like Togadia and some other people also with a saffron dress and chandan basma in their forehead, and they do negative, they tell negative, that their individual opinion. Still the burden of that negative has to be taken by Hindus. Thus, denigrating Hindu Dharma has become the role of Hindus, and projecting the truth, the Hindus always forget about it. Anyway, what I wanted to say, whenever I say something about Hindu Dharma, many Muslims used to ask me a question. Some communist people also used to ask me, are you an RSS? Are you a BJP? As though they are asking me, I am a ISIS man, whether I am a terrorist. That way they are asking the question. I would like to tell very clearly, any organization in the world working for India, any organization in the world working for Sanatana Dharma, I am part of that organization. Mentally, physically, socially, and every aspect. If Muslims work for India, I am part of their mission. Christians work for India, I am part of their mission. If anyone, if Brahma Kumaris work, Chinmaya Mission work, if RSS work, BHP work, Bajrang Dal works, or for that matter any organization if work for India and Hindu Dharma, I am part and parcel of that one, for which I do not have any reluctance. Till the last breath, I will be that. I will be RSS, I will be BJP, I will be Brahma Kumari, I will be a Madha Vrindanandamayi follower, I will be Sai Baba follower, I will be the follower of Mother India and Mother India's mission undertaken by anybody. Thank you very much. My pranams to you.